In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove pictures on Zillow. This process is straightforward and will ensure your property listings are perfectly curated to attract the right tenants. Let's dive into the step-by-step guide to managing your photos on Zillow. First, make sure you're signed in to your Zillow Rental Manager account. This is your starting point for making any modifications to your property listings. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard. From here, you'll want to select the property listing you wish to edit. This is usually displayed prominently, especially if you have just one or a few listings. With your property selected, it's time to access the listing details. To do this, look for the Edit button, which allows you to modify your details. This will take you into edit mode, where you can manage all aspects of your listing, including the photos. Now, let's focus on managing your photos. If there's a particular photo you want to remove, here's what you need to do. Simply click on the photo in question. A window will pop up, offering you a Remove Image link. By clicking this link, you'll initiate the removal process. Don't worry, Zillow will ask you to confirm your choice to ensure there are no accidental deletions. Confirm your decision, and the photo will be removed from your listing. Perhaps you'd like to change the order of your photos to highlight certain aspects of your property. You can do this by rearranging the photos. It's very intuitive. Hover over the photo you want to move, click and hold down your left mouse button, drag the photo to its new position in the gallery, and release the mouse button when it's in the right spot. This feature helps in presenting your property in an order that best conveys its value and appeal. Adding captions to your photos can provide potential tenants with more context and information. To add a caption, click on the photo you want to describe. A window will appear with a text field. Here, you can type in the relevant caption. Once you're satisfied with the caption, click Save to ensure it's properly attached to the photo. After making these changes, don't forget the final crucial step, saving everything you've done. Scroll down to the bottom of the page where you'll find the blue Update Listing button. Clicking this will save all your changes, making them visible in your live Zillow listing. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to removing and managing pictures on Zillow. Following these steps will ensure that your property listing is updated and visually appealing. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps you present your property in the best possible light.